Oh.
Whose gift was that? You're not supposed to tell me?
No, not to the end.
What is it?
It's a game.
What kind? So I know.
It's a game
I'll
called
describe it to you.
Oh.
If I want it or not. You and your teammates have 45 seconds to solve 10 clues, and all the answers contain the word ball. Have a ball. One on top of spaghetti. Meatball. Swinging demolition device. Wrecking ball. Inflatable sand toy. Beach ball.
Okay, Allie, so will you be picking one of the other two gifts or will you be picking your own?
I'm next.
Oh, Nick, sorry.
Carly says, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Charlie, you're not a gift.
Oh. Carly,
Carly.
that's two.
Yeah.
Now this one needs
That's a 2-1.
Whoa!
Yeah, Nick, that's it.
Interesting.
Hey.
Now this is a gift everybody's going to want.
So when do you steal? Do you still?
You can steal from anybody in front of you.
When is your
When it's your turn.
Wait, yeah.
You get to see all the gifts, basically.
Good girl. You get down.
I get to see your gift.
That's a cool one.
Oh man, do I get to be the Terminator?
No.
Slippers?
Boots.
Oh!
Girly boots.
Oh! That's, yeah,
Was that supposed to be like that?
yeah.
Okay.
2 guns, look at that.
Oh man.
It's just so
That's top notch.
No, it goes online.
Oh, it's another
Okay, Allie, I think you're next, right?
It's a pet for your webcam.
Do you pick one of the...
Yeah, it's like an online game. Like a
Yeah, ask her what, she'll show you what it is.
show you all.
Don't believe it. She'll show you everything.
Don't ask.
I want to see the webcam.
No.
It will be fun.
Carly.
How about
I'll show you. I'll teach you everything.
what was a good one, Ashton?
Oh man.
I'm gonna go for it.
You're gonna see
A game.
Oh!
Wow, is that the same company?
Yeah, I think so.
That was weird.
Cool.
All right. Okay, Ashley, you have a big selection here to pick from.
Oh, Ashley steals somebody's. No, I think I'm gonna take this one.
All right.
Here, Allie. Allie, one of your games. Okay.
Oh man.
It's another.
The filter, did you pick this out?
I don't know what that is. Maybe I want yours.
4 Christmases.
Has anybody seen that movie?
I have. It's funny. It's
That's
funny.
a funny movie.
Okay, honey, you're next. Oh no, Ray.
It's rare.
Ray.
What does everybody have? Gun,
Oh, a gu-
You got Nick and Ashley.
I think I
last word, last word. I try my chances with this one.
Oh, that's Ashley.
The nicely wrapped one.
Well, those other ones, one's for me, one's from Alex.
Uh-huh.
No one say no.
Oh, not to the end. Sorry.
Rip it, Ray.
It's
It's okay. What is it, pickles to change
a quick thinking, picture linking party game.
Perfect.
Here, Ray. Smile.
We're gonna have fun tonight.
Okay, honey, your turn.
I can take anybody's.
That's right.
Oh, I don't know, Shelby. I really wanted somebody of my own. Lucky for you, I just got that. Oh no.
Harley.
I think that looks like a fun game that Ray had. I didn't get a gun.
I'm not getting my somebody.
I'm gonna take Nick's gun.
Oh!
Because they were shooting me yesterday. It wasn't nice. They were attacking me all day yesterday.
Shake it.
Wait, is that from you?
No.
No.
Hold on.
Not nice, Mom.
Somebody's gotta get me.
Shoes?
Hey,
More shoes. High heels. I know. Really nice high heels.
No!
You be styling
Just
in
what I
that.
always wanted.
That is perfect.
Oh,
That's like-
I don't know. Daddy's not gonna keep for that. What are you gonna get?
You know, I like that scarf.
I think that would look very
I
handsome
thought
on
it
you.
was that scarf too.
Come on.
It's very nice.
What?
It's not a scarf, guy.
Yeah, you know what, Nick? I'll take that scarf.
Oh, no.
Ooh.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Oh, is it really chocolate? No. It's not really chocolate.
It's a salami.
Headphones!
Yay!
That's funny. I thought it was chocolate.
All right, everybody good?
Yeah.
All right.
That was sneaky.
Huh? That was.
Whose was that wrapped it in the gift?
Okay, so why don't you go around and say whose was who?
I'm with buzzword.
Okay.
I had that game. The Pickles the Penguin.
Okay.
I had the somebody.
Okay.
I had last word.
I had the scarf.
I had the
Headphones. And Shelby, what did you? She gave the Nerf guns. And I was the movie. All right, great. Okay,